Hi, I'm Vicki Vaughn, and today we'll learn how to transfer a BARD book to a portable cartridge. This workshop is intended for users with low vision. If you use a screen reading program, be sure to check out our screen reading version of this workshop. In another Hadley workshop in this series, we learned how to download a BARD book to our computer. Today we'll take the next step and transfer our book to a portable storage device. This important step allows us to listen to our BARD book on the NLS digital talking book player. For today's demonstration, we'll transfer our book to an NLS cartridge. We can also use a USB or flash drive to store our digital books. The first thing we'll do is locate our digital book folder. My folder is in the Downloads folder. Your digital book folder might be on your desktop or some other location. If you'd like to learn how to create a folder for your digital books, be sure to check out our resource section. Let's begin from the desktop and open File Explorer with the keyboard shortcut Windows and the letter E. On the left side of our screen, we see our navigation pane. Near the top of our list, we find our Downloads folder. Let's open it by double-clicking our left mouse button. In our window on the right side, we find a list of all of our downloaded files, and we see the digital book that we downloaded earlier. If you'd like a refresher in downloading digital books from BARD, be sure to check out the workshop in this series where we learn all about downloading digital content. Our next step is to copy our book so we can paste it onto our cartridge. Once again, keyboard shortcuts to the rescue. Let's select our book with a single left click on the folder at the far right side of the title. Then we'll hold down the Control key with our right hand and press and release the C key for copy with our left hand. Now, there are no obvious signs that we've copied our files. Their appearance hasn't changed, but they're tucked away on our clipboard, ready for pasting. Now it's time to connect our cartridge or flash drive to our computer. We use a 2.0 USB extension cable to connect the two. They're available through the American Printing House for the Blind, Amazon, and other retail outlets. Let's plug the cable into our cartridge or flash drive, then insert the other end of the cable into the USB port on our computer. When we connect the cartridge to our computer, a window appears that prompts us to select it. We do this to choose what happens with the contents of the portable cartridge or drive. The box is visible for about 4 seconds, and then it disappears. If we miss our opportunity to select it, no problem. We just unplug our cable, plug it back in, and try again. Let's select it to see our choices. Your window might look a little different, but your choices will be similar to what we find here. Even though we might have the choice to play, it's worth noting that we cannot play our digital books on our computer. Special playback devices like the NLS digital talking book player or the Victor Stream are required. Let's select Open Folder to view files. This option opens our portable storage folder to let us see what it contains. Our next step is to paste our book into our folder. We'll left-click once anywhere in our folder, then use the keyboard shortcut of Control and the letter V to paste. I'll hold down my Control key with my right hand and press and release the V key with my left hand. A window pops up that tells us the progress of our download. When it's complete, the window disappears and we see our new book highlighted in the Portable Drive folder. Congratulations! You've just transferred your digital book from your computer to an NLS cartridge. It's nice to know that the technique works the same way whether we're transferring books to a cartridge, a flash drive, or other portable digital book players that play BARD books. Today we learned how to transfer digital books from our computer to a portable storage device, the NLS cartridge. I'm Vicki Vaughn, and I thank you for joining me.